I'm Landon Pendlebury with Remote Brand.
I'm Jay Tapp from Smart Plastic Technologies.
We just participated in the Zoho workshop. Myself, I'm relatively new to the Zoho ecosystem, but over the last couple of days, it was a very, very intensive workshop. We covered all of the different applications in the suite for Zoho CRM Plus. And I'm very, very impressed with the potential of what it could do for both my business and my clients' businesses. I think that the flexibility within it, the customization is really, really quite fantastic. And I'm excited to dive in deeper and learn more about what it can do for myself and my clients.
I had my original experience with Zoho over 10 years ago, which was just a CRM at that time. And in the last year, I became involved with the company Smart Plastic Technologies, which was using Zoho CRM. We upgraded to CRM Plus recently in the last 6 months, and this was the first opportunity we had to come and learn about all the new features and the different aspects. And very, very impressed, and congratulations to everything you're doing with your product. We're excited about using it and learning how to use it more effectively in our company.
If you're interested in learning more about Zoho, I definitely recommend going to one of these workshops. I found it really, really informative, so please do.